Hello, today I'm going to show you guys how to add custom realistic sounds into your FiveM server. Normally, I would upload this to GitHub, but it was a little bit too big, so I uploaded it to Google Drive. So what you want to do is you want to click on the link in the description below, and it'll take you to my public Google Drive. You'll have the option to download this. I've already downloaded this. It will come in a folder like this. Now, if you're just wanting to replace the weapon sounds that I show in this video later on, then all you have to do is drag this sound folder into your resources folder, just like this. And then you can then go to your server CFG, and then you can scroll down, and then you can add a place in here to ensure sound. And now this will work already right off the bat if you just do it this way. Now, if you want to add the extra sounds, you can use this program right here called OpenIV. You click Windows on your GTA, and it's pulling up the program. And then once this starts up, you'll then be able to take these, do it one at a time. You can do resident, drag it over to the left column right here, and then it'll pop up all of these sounds that you can then drag into the proper folders that are in that sound folder. So say if you wanted to add all these extra sounds, some of these are already in here, like weapons, vehicles, and explosions, so don't copy those back in there, but any of the other ones are not in there right now. So if you want to add these, or any of these are the actual gun sounds, which I will pull up as well. Don't click on them like that, it won't work. You want to take it and drag it as well to the left column over here. And then that'll be all your weapon sounds specifically. We already have these in the sound folder, so you don't have to do these. They should already all be in there. These are not all in there, as I said. You can pick and choose which ones. If you do pick and choose and put them into your audio folder, make sure you put them into the correct one. And then you have to go back here to your resource Lua. And any additional ones that I have not added in, these are obviously the ones that I have added in already for you guys. So you can use this. If you add additional, you need to copy this, put the sound name here, make sure you put the directory right here. Like if it's a resident sound, you need to make sure it's in the resident folder directory. If it's not in the resident, if it's in the weapons underscore player, you need to put weapon underscore player right here. So once you've done all this, whatever way you've chosen and whatever sounds you've chosen to put into your server, as I said, for this video, it is for the weapons in particular. It is the most popular sounds that people want to change typically on the server. So I already have these installed. Once you restart your server, you can then, let me turn this down a little bit. Actually, I'll turn it up just so you can hear the sounds really well. Once I go into here, and when I load into the server, I can then see if I have a gun, which is right here. I don't think I have any ammo for that. I do actually do. And if you notice, you'll know what the normal GTA sounds sound like, so I don't need to show that. But here are the new sounds. I'll try it with another gun as well. I think it's the Desert Eagle. Okay. So then I can put away this gun, pull out the Desert Eagle, give myself some ammo really quick. And that is all I'm going to show for the weapons. There are more weapons that are changed. Let me turn this down. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys have any questions or any other concerns, you can reach out into the comments. Please give me a like. And if you guys want to stay tuned and watch more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. And I'll post some more soon. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.